Hello there, in front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, unroll the list of all apps and reach Settings. Then find and select Wallpaper. And here, smoothly go to album that you wish to choose your wallpaper from, so it can be your own photos, stylized or current images, it's up to you. Let me pick the second option. And for example, we can pick this one. Now we can change the style. As you can see, there is a lot of options, so just pick the one that you like the most. Let me choose, for example, this one, and then just click on Set Wallpaper. Now you can customize it on your home and lock screens, so you can zoom it in, out, you can change the place, rotate the picture. Let me do it this way. And then on lock screen, you can make it, for example, like this. Then tap on confirmation mark, and then confirm that you wish to set it as your home and lock screens. And that's it. As you can see, here is your brand new wallpaper. And it's for both lock and home screens. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.